Hey guys, thanks for joining us back out here at the Range Report. Now, a couple of months ago, we brought you the Blackwater Iron Horse, the thumb-operated AR-15 rifle, and that thing has made quite a buzz throughout the industry. It's a completely unique platform, and when we first saw that rifle out at ShotSHOW 2 years ago, it wasn't alone. There was another firearm on the table that was being debuted at the same time called the Sentry 12. It's a modular platform 12-gauge shotgun. It's a pump shotgun that's magazine fed. And we've been waiting for this thing to come to market ever since that day. Well, today we're very fortunate that we have one on hand. This is the Sentry 12 from Blackwater. It's a 12-gauge pump action shotgun that's magazine fed with AR-like controls on it. Everything about this is ambidextrous. 20-inch barrel, full pick rail on the top. Doesn't come with any sights because you're supposed to be able to add your own, so we decided we would just throw on a couple of flip-ups for the time that we do this T&E video, and to bring it to you guys and let you see what it's all about. Now, one of the unique things about this particular shotgun is the takedown. Very similar to your AR platform, you have a single pin that you pull that allows you to take the receiver, but this doesn't flip over. The actual whole receiver comes off. You can drop this out, and we're going to do a little demonstration of that later. But right now, we just wanted to put some rounds through this thing. We got our little target behind us and want to see, you know, how this thing feels, what it's capable of, how it cycles, and go from there. Now, it's extremely lightweight. This is only about 6 1/4 to 6.5 pounds. You'll notice from the design, it's really nice and straight. So all of that recoil impulse is captured right here by a nice thick butt pad on it. Does not have an adjustable stock, but I think that might be something that's going to be available from Blackwater or the aftermarket. And you can tailor this shotgun to anything you want it. You want a longer barrel. I know that they have a door breacher barrel for this thing. There's a lot of potential in this platform, but and it looks cool as hell. So today we're going to run some shots through this thing. We're going to start off with some Winchester Super-X game loads, just to see how it handles those. Then we're going to step up to some S&B buckshot, and then we're going to throw some slugs through it. We got our target behind us. We're going to see how this goes. So right now we're going to start ourselves off with some game loads. See how she performs. Eyes are on, ears are on, target's downrange. Let's have some fun. Well, I got to say, the shotgun held up a little bit better than our sights did because they flipped down on the second shot. But, man, I tell you, that's pretty slick right there. Like you said, we have ambidextrous controls on us, so we drop our magazine out. We're going to throw some game loads, some buckshot through this thing while our target is still hanging on for dear life. We're going to hope our flip-ups stay up this time. And as you can tell, no, they didn't. Yeah, so I'm thinking this is probably going to be a better shotgun for fixed sights or maybe your choice of red dot. But we're going to load up one more magazine and throw some slugs through it. All right, so we got game loads through her. We've got buckshot through her. Now we're going to try some slugs. These are S&Bs. Going to see if we can put a couple of holes on our target. Hopefully our sights stay in place, so when I want to shoot the 2 water jugs at the bottom, I can actually hit them. But we'll see how she goes. And our flip-up sights have decided to flip down. Well, I don't think we have to expel the last couple of shots, but I gotta tell you, that is a fun shotgun. Not exactly the smoothest action, but remember, the shots you just saw me take are the first shots that's been taking this thing, so I'm sure she's going to loosen up just a little bit with a little bit more usage. But for now, I got to tell you, this thing is a lot of fun. Now again, getting back earlier, we were talking about the takedown for this shotgun. Right here, we have one takedown pin, and this is just a simple matter. You push your pin through, bring your action to the closed position, you lower, pops off, and there you go. Completely disassembled, field stripped in under 10 seconds, and putting it back together is pretty much the same thing. Get that set, put your action back, put your pin back in, there you go, you're good to go. So here we go, this is the Blackwater Sentry 12 from Blackwater Manufacturing. I gotta say, I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this in the future. But right now, I'm just gonna go put some ice on my shoulder. So you guys be safe, shoot straight.